guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl the Great Tete, and for today's video, y'all, I'm gonna show you guys how I am gonna make my old passion braid twists look brand new again. Okay, so I've been wearing these braids for about a week, and the roots are looking stale. The ends of the braids are looking good, they're still intact. And just an FYI, these braids, I got these passion twists from Main Concept. I have a video with me installing these braids, so be sure to check that out. I'll leave that in the description bar below, so you can definitely check that out after watching this video, you guys. So I'll start off by spraying some water on the roots of my hair, because you know I have all the buildup from the gel and the edge control and all that stuff. So we're just gonna spray that with water to kind of like soften it up a bit, and then we're gonna use a towel, and then we're gonna kind of like dab the roots to get all that buildup out of the roots, if you understand what I mean. Now, I normally keep my braids in for about a week, my crochet braids, okay? Like, I just do not like to have the same hairstyle for too long, and that's just me. But this one, I was gonna take it out, and I'm like, you know what, let me see if I can keep it in for another week, because I really liked these braids. They were 30 inches long, and I'm like, you know what, I am about this life. I'm about that long hair life. So I'm gonna keep it in for an additional week. So I just decided to, you know, kind of like jazz it up a bit, kind of like make it look brand new again. And why not film it and show you guys, you know, if you're wearing your braids, your crochet box braids or whatever it is, and you want it to look brand new, I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. Okay, so this is what I'm doing here. I'm just spraying the water to my roots, you know, just to get all that buildup out, all that gunk, you know, trying to get that out of my roots. If you want, you can wash your hair, but I didn't want to do that because it's so long and it's gonna take forever to dry. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with my Echo styling gel, and I'm gonna apply it to my edges, and then I'm just gonna kind of give it a twist so that it looks kind of refreshing and looks brand new. Now you'll see when I do it, it will start to make sense. Okay, I guess I'm not good at explaining. But as you can see, I applied my edge control, and I kind of like applied it to the roots and gave it a little twist, and then I used my hairpin to secure it down, and I use my rat tail comb, you know, so that the parting can look defined. You know, when the part is really defined, that allows the hair to look new, if you get what I'm saying. So I'm just using my rat tail comb to define the parts, and then I'm just gonna go in with my Echo styling gel, and I'm just gonna brush to comb in the roots, twist in the roots, you know, just so that it blends in and it looks really nice. And then I'm just gonna use my pin, my hairpin, and secure it, and that's really what I'm doing to the entire front of my hair, you guys. And I'm just gonna let you guys keep on watching, and you'll see the finished results. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope this will be helpful for you guys, and if you like videos like these, you know, hair content, fashion, beauty, stuff like that, feel free to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload any new content. And let me know in the comment section below what you think of this video. And also be sure to check out my other video with me installing these crochet passion twists, you guys. And as I've mentioned before, these braids were from the Main Concept. You can get it in your local beauty supply store. I really do enjoy using their products. I've used their hair numerous times. I have other braided videos that I've used their hair, and you can also check those out as well, you guys. So just keep on watching, and I'll see you all at the end of the video.